Apasă butonul de like și abonează-te pentru și mai multe clipuri geniale!
Whoa! Look at this! It's amazing! Have you seen this cake? It's huge! Look at it! Although, it's a little boring. I can change that. I just need to do some shopping. Spending money is my favorite hobby. And now, I wait. Wow, that was fast! Chocolate spread. This'll give the cake some flavor. It's like a chocolate waterfall. Wow, that's awesome! I want to decorate it! I'll need a ladder. Whoa, this is high! Where's my phone? Ah, here it is. I'll make a quick call. That was easy. Ooh, thanks. Check this out. I'll pour it over this side. Delicious green goop. It looks great, huh? Keep it on your side. This is a gluten-free zone. Whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna keep doing it. My chocolate is much better. Whoa, what happened? That was so weird. I usually travel by private jet. So now what? Wait, what's that? Ooh, this is exciting. Fine, let's play for it. 1, 2, 3, go! I guess you win. I get to go first. Ooh, that's a nice-looking cake. Okay, it's my turn. Hey, I got a blue cake. This is so cool. I'm gonna enjoy this. You like the simple things. I have expensive tastes. I need your help. Oh, here you go. You have a butler? Ah, that's more like it. Just what I want. Are you kidding me? I'm about to transform this cake. I have big plans. Watch this. I'll start with this palette knife. I'll squirt frosting onto it. I'll make little peaks. And I'll use different colors. Now I'll gently place it onto the cake. And I'll spread it out. What do you think? It's like a rainbow. But I'm not finished. I'll pipe white frosting onto it. I'll make swirls around the edge. It looks so pretty. Ooh, sprinkles. I mean, you gotta have sprinkles. I'll drizzle them over the white frosting. What's next? Ah, some pink sprinkles. It's a work of art. I'm getting emotional. Hey, where's my ingredients? Frosting thief! You weren't using it. It's mine now. I'm gonna draw a love heart. This is harder than it seems. I'll take my time. Now I'll fill it in. Hey, I'm getting used to this. I should be a chef. Next, I need a spatula. I need to smooth it out. I'll use soft strokes. I don't want to ruin it. This is relaxing. Next, I need candy. These will be my decorations. I'll arrange them around the edge of the cake. I'll alternate the colors. I want it to be as bright as possible. I'll keep them spaced out. One more to go. I finished! I'm so happy! I mean, just look at it. I would totally eat that. It's so cute. It's the best cake ever. It doesn't even have gold. Hey, where's my spotlight? That's more like it. I can't believe I have to spin it myself. They both look great. But we can make them even better. The sides are looking bare. What did you say? Now you mention it. I know how to fix this. My credit card will take care of it. I'm waiting. Ah, this'll do. My piping bag? Thank you. I'm about to make my cake super adorable. I'll draw little chocolate love hearts onto the baking tray. They will really add something to my cake. Plus, I just love chocolate. I could eat it all day. They're so easy to do. I'm gonna need a lot. I mean, it is a big cake. Plus, you can never have enough chocolate. I'll fill the tray with the hearts. Only a few more to go. I think that's enough. Now I'll let them set. The freezer will speed things up. I can relax now. Maybe I'll go to the spa. Okay, I think that's long enough. I can take them out. I'm sure they'll be perfect. Oh, look at them. I'll carefully remove them from the tray. Then I'll press them into my cake. Wow, I love it. It's just what my cake needed. I'm a genius. I should teach my chef this. What do you think? Whoa, that's so cool! How do I top that? Luckily, I've got my credit card. Give me the goodies! It's raining candy! What the? You could have gave me them in a packet! They're all broken now! Let's try this again. Ouch! Is that the poop emoji? Is this some kind of joke? What's going on? second. The poop has me inspired. I need a cupcake. And some chocolate frosting. I'll pipe it onto the cupcake. I'll go round in a spiral and build up the layers. I'll finish with a nice peak. I'll do this with some more cupcakes. Round and round it goes. But that's not all. I'm gonna add 2 little fondant eyes. Poop cupcakes! It's not real poop, obviously. I think they look pretty good. And tasty. I can't wait to try them! My mouth is watering! What are we waiting for? Let's eat. I was hoping you'd say that.